this is a doctor from Melbourne, and there's a colic baby. If you don't know, colic in babies is, from what I understand, they just won't stop crying. But he adjusts this baby's spine.
Yeah, it didn't really hurt. If that hurt, you'd still be crying.
Which is, okay. So the baby stopped crying. I'm not going to sit here and be like, it was the chiropractic that worked. I feel like it's similar to like scaring the hiccups out of somebody. He went under fire. So he was widely criticized by doctors and other chiropractors for cracking. Oh, it was a 4-day-old baby's back. 4 days. 4 days. Last week, the president of the Royal Australian College of General Practitioners, Frank Jones, said there was, quote, absolutely no basis for this outlandish treatment on a newborn baby, and launched an attack on the chiropractic industry as a whole, telling news.com.au there is no scientific basis for most of the stuff they can do. That was in 2016.